I were to ask to pick two products from the Bioderma skincare range, which ones would they be is what I'm going to share in this video. The first product would be the Bioderma's Micellar water. This is actually a very popular product. Micellar water has tiny oil molecules called micelles which act like magnets. They grab onto the dirt, oil and the makeup on our face and get them off our face. The ingredients that Bioderma uses in its micellar water is very gentle. It's not going to sting your face or make your skin feel bad. It doesn't have any smell and most importantly, it's fragrance free. There are two ways to use micellar water. The first way is to take some micellar water onto a clean cotton pad and then gently swipe that cotton pad all over the face. No need to scrub it very hard. Gentle swiping motion should do to get all that dirt off the face. Now the second way is my preferred way because the only time I use micellar water is when I need to get heavy makeup off my face. If I haven't got any makeup on my face, I don't use any micellar water. I would just be happy with my cleanser. Now the second way is to actually take the micellar water in a spray bottle. I usually have a lot of micellar water in a spray bottle so that I don't have to pour it into a spray bottle every time I use it. So once it's in the spray bottle, I just spray the micellar water all over my face, the face which has got that heavy makeup on, all over the face, and then I leave it on for about 30 seconds to a minute. The micelles, they kind of dissolve and attract and grab onto all that dirt and all that makeup on the face in that 30 seconds to a minute, and then after that I take a clean cotton pad and then I gently pat it all over my face so that gets off all that dirt from there onto the cotton pad. So that's my preferred way of using micellar water. Now Bioderma says after you use micellar water, you can go straight into skincare products. You don't need to rinse or wash your face. I prefer otherwise. Now the only time I use micellar water is when I've got makeup on. So after using micellar water, I like to clean my face. Though the micellar water has gotten rid of most of the makeup, I still feel there is some makeup on the face and I prefer to clean my face with a good cleanser. Now I don't use micellar water if I haven't got any makeup on. Have I said that enough times? But if you do want to use it even when you don't have makeup on, I would suggest that you at least rinse your face with water after the micellar water routine. Bioderma offers two products in its micellar water range. The first one is the 𝗫𝗫 Bioderma micellar water. This is specifically for people with sensitive skin. It's got really gentle ingredients, so there's nothing to fear when using this micellar water if you've got sensitive skin. The second one is the 𝗫𝗫 micellar water. This is specifically targeted for people with acne prone skin. It's got copper and zinc, and these two kind of help against acne as well. It's not going to cure your acne or anything like that, but if you've got acne prone skin and you're using micellar water, it's better to use micellar water which has got these kind of ingredients which are kind of enemies of acne, I guess. So yeah, that's the second one. The second product that I like from Bioderma is the Atoderm Intensive Skin Barrier Balm. It's got ingredients like glycerin which add hydration to the skin, and it's got mineral oil which forms a thick blanket on top of our skin and prevents the hydration in our skin from evaporating back into the atmosphere. So it kind of retains the hydration in our skin, and it's got other ingredients like rapeseed oil which also help in retaining that hydration. Mineral oil is exceptionally good in helping retain the hydration in our skin. It also has ceramides which strengthens the skin's barrier function. A strong skin barrier means all the water gets retained in the skin. It doesn't evaporate into the atmosphere because this barrier is quite strong and it prevents that evaporation. So basically it helps the skin stay hydrated. A strong barrier also makes the skin less prone to breakouts. It also has a bunch of prebiotics. Prebiotics are food for the good bacteria on our skin. The good bacteria on our skin is called the microbiome. If this microbiome is strong and healthy, the barrier function of the skin again strengthens. A strong barrier, like I just mentioned, helps the skin stay hydrated and makes it less prone to breakouts. This product is quite good for sensitive skin as well because the ingredients in here are short and simple. There is nothing complex in here. Simple ingredients which do the job is what this product is all about, and it has no fragrance, and that's really good whether you have sensitive skin or not. In summary, this product adds hydration and has a lot of ingredients which can help retain the hydration, which is really important. So this is a good product. And in some countries, this product also has an eczema stamp association, because if you've got eczema, what you need is ingredients which can strengthen the skin's barrier function and help the skin stay hydrated. Now, if it's got eczema, is a serious skin condition, so that stamp is not something you wouldn't be able to get that stamp easily. So if a product has that stamp, it is good for people with eczema, and it is also very good for people without eczema, because what we all need is a strong skin barrier and a hydrated skin, and having that stamp speaks more positively about the product. That's about it. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a like and do subscribe to my channel, because that will really help me a lot, and I will see you in my next video. Bye for now.